The Fontaine des Innocents, located in the heart of Paris, is a historical monument that dates back to the 16th century. Commissioned by King Henry II and designed by the architect Pierre Lescot, this fountain has a rich history and stands as a testament to the city's cultural heritage. The Fontaine des Innocents was constructed between 1547 and 1550 and was originally intended to serve as a decorative fountain in the market district of Les Halles. It was built on the site of a mass grave for the victims of the infamous St. Barthélemy massacre in 1572, hence its name, Fountain of the Innocents. The fountain was designed in a Renaissance style, showcasing intricate sculptures and architectural details. The fountain features a central structure with four ornate Corinthian columns supporting a triangular pediment adorned with sculptures. These sculptures depict the nymphs of the rivers, which were considered essential for the proper functioning of the fountain. Water flowed from the mouths of these sculpted figures, creating an enchanting display. In the 19th century, the market district underwent major renovations, and the fountain was almost demolished. However, a successful campaign led by preservationists saved the monument from destruction. In the early 20th century, the Fontaine des Innocents was finally restored to its former glory. The surrounding buildings were demolished to create a small park, allowing the fountain to become a focal point once again. Today, visitors can admire the fountain's beauty and intricate details, including the sculptures, reliefs, and decorative motifs that represent the artistic style of the Renaissance period. The Fontaine des Innocents continues to be an important symbol of Parisian history and architecture. It serves as a reminder of the city's rich cultural heritage and its ability to preserve and celebrate its historical landmarks. The fountain stands as a testament to the resilience of the past and the significance of preserving these treasures for future generations to enjoy.